Hi, are you thinking or planning of moving to another country? If you are that person, then you are on the right platform. My name is Peter. I live in Finland. On this channel, we give reliable information on how to move and live in Finland and other countries in Europe. I moved to Finland with my wife and kids at the same time. So, every information you will get from this channel is based on our personal experience. It's based on the laws and the policies of the Finnish government. And of course, it is based on the experiences of some of our close friends. So what are you waiting for? If you really want to live where you are, to Finland or some countries in Europe, do not waste time again. Like and subscribe to this channel. And of course, if you want to help a brother or a friend, you can share. In our next video, we are going to be telling you how my family and I moved to Finland. It doesn't matter if you want to move as a single person or as a family. It is possible. All you need to do is to get the right information. Remember, information is power. And in this case, the right information is very important. All you need to do is subscribe. And that's it. So, see you in our next video. Bye.